Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Statesman newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 25, 2023. Fourth R Sudoku. Ninth grade and third grade and second row. We have pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Third grade we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then third grade, ninth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. First grade, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another two cells, it will confirm later. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column B, column C, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We'll confirm later. Ninth row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 10th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another three cells. Confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another these cells. Confirm later. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another these cells. Confirm later. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. Second grade, we already have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another these cells. Confirm later. Then second grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. Column F, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. Confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. 10th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 4. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 9, 3. Column G, we have 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. It will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 5 numbers are remaining, 7, 6, 1, 3. 6th row, we have 7 and 6. So 7 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. Confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another these cells. Confirm later. Column F, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. 6th grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 7th row, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column F, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th grade, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 1st grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column E, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column E, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column E, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.